Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for na Jatum. Tell party. What I say, what Jatum? Tell party Jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monty Tumu. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place to share. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Keko. Boa.
We are not playing. Exactly.
Great minds, the school of Emma Pioneer, I will say. Say, only Hobia, join the team next academic year. Administrator, for Monday going. Go there, register your name, be part of the team. Great minds, okay, Cassie, the school of
Lord's blessings want to go. We gather together to ask the Lord's blessing. We know where we are going. We know we will gather. Heaven knows how we will get there. We know we are there.
Great Minds International School, all staff, Amo and Ebano. We have beauty contest. I'm champion for
So students, give them a wave. A clap or a wave would be great. Thank you so much. Staff of Great Minds International School.
And they call me
yes. Hey,
students, you can do better than this.
Great Minds International.
Give it up for them.
I'm in a school for Nasi Dada. A church, madam, auntie, and a mono. One bone set up our more. Yes, why?
The future is coming. Yes.
So on a ebano on sembono ever form out.
Students, let's give it up for them one more time.
Oh.
Yes.
Madam, the DNA come. I'm here at the phone. Oh, class 3. But very soon, they will be in the upper class, BF4, next academic year. They are all graduating today to the next level year. So BS6, let's see you coming. BS6 with their master or mistress. Oh, energy level, energy level. We are doing this with DJ Vidal. BS6 of Great Minds International School. Great Minds International School. Amikro is the location. Here we are at Afrancho. Our 7th graduation congress in your picture. BS6 next year, they will be in the JHS department. We are greeting the audience, greeting the parents and teachers, and all lovers of Great Minds. The HOD for JHS department to lead the candidates, the leaders, to have their seat. Five BEC candidates. Yes. And I'm in school. I feel results now. The HOD last year, employee. I feel in so
Victoria Council led by Shukui, the lecturer chairperson.
Omotuaba, Senasna election. The prefect of school. Very effective and professional as well.
The Victoria Council led by the lecturer chairperson, followed by Her Excellency the protocol.
At the time, you have been my bank, you know, you have been my son away. When I got my papa, I mean,
okay, yet we saw no. The friend, your headmaster, and your friend, now I'm going to do it's in your pastor, your headmaster. Reverend, now I'm going to do President, Mr. President, Captain Ibrahim Traore, the doctor Ibrahim Traore. Oh my God! Let's welcome Dr. Lowe, Mr. President. Mr. President is here. Please have a healthy wait. Captain Ibrahim Traore, the last African hero from Burkina Faso. The last African hero. The one and only director, the executive director, the inspirational director, the one and only actor, we all wish to see on our screen. Oh my God! The entertainer, the comedian, the musician, a director, the Ghana's pride, Coco Sisi, exactly, a country called Ghana, Captain Ibrahim Traore. The CEO of Great Minds International School, Dr. The CEO of Great Minds International School, the person we enjoy seeing on our screens, Kojok Kansa Lewen, Captain Ibrahim Traore.
Okay.
The last